The Department of Agriculture, or DA, will begin its vaccine rollout against the African swine fever, or ASF, tomorrow. First to be inoculated will be the hogs in Lobo, Batangas, aged 8 to 10 months, but they must be fatter or grower type of pigs. Meanwhile, the DA clarified there is sufficient supply of chicken in the country. The Agriculture Department made this clarification after the prices of chicken spiked in various markets around Metro Manila. According to its price monitoring, prices of whole chicken now range from 170 pesos to 230 pesos compared to 155 pesos to 210 pesos per kilo for the same period last year.
All systems go tayo for the vaccination sa Lobo, Batangas. Yung mga na-test natin na baboy prior to vaccination ay negative and healthy. So matutuloy yung bakuna natin bukas, 9 o'clock. Hindi pwedeng katayin, ibenta within 30 days minimum. After maturukan. Imo-monitor yun na hindi magkaka-ESF.